Hey tubers, Ghost Wolf 86 here at the river with the freighter Algosea. So we're gonna follow the Algosea as she goes down the river.
Yeah, we have the kids. You are.
You know if it does, I'm going.
Hey, in your horn!
No!
You guys gotta go like this, like, you know, with the trucks.
I already told them if any of them come on, go jumping in. That was the cycle of the
You guys gotta yell. Come on, go by the, they can't see you over there. You gotta.
Honk the horn!
Hey, let's go, let's go.
Go up here!
Do it. Come on, let's do it.
He's gonna do it! He's gonna do it! He's gonna do it!
Do it.
No way! No way! No way!
My God.
Come on!
Can't post that video either!
Tubers, we just heard the horn of the Algosea.
That was pretty fog.
We got a horn, we got a salute. We all were like, honk the horn. We got it. So tubers, we got a salute out of the Algosea. I could see the captain walking through the pilot house to go to the horn as we all waved and said, honk the horn. Well, tubers, thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye and enjoy the video of the freighter Algosea. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Who knows what freighter I'll see next. And also, tubers, share the video with your friends. Goodbye, Algosea. We'll meet again